Murimu wa malaria no uthiite na mbere na kwambatira thii yothe. Ndeto ino ari kuringana na riboti ya ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri rwa thii WHO iria yugite kwambatira guku ni kuma hindi ya king'uki gia COVID-19 kuria mwaka wa 2021 kwari na andu milioni 241 aria monekanire na murimu uyu thii yothe. Aingi a atumia aria mohete nda na ciana nini mari ugwati-ini makiria. Ona gutuika Kenya ni tacukitie makinya hari kuhurana na murimu uyu wa malaria, Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite ni kurabatarania mitaratara yarirwo makiria niguo kuhukia murimu uyu gugikinyeria mwaka wa 2030 kuria megukuruhania anyiti itemi ta KEMRI. WHO ikiuga ni guthii na mbere na guteithiriria bururi wa Kenya.
Even though as a country we have made progress, we are reaching that plateau phase where our interventions are not delivering the desired results, and therefore we need to sit back again like we are doing today, discuss and develop new innovations, new therapeutics to be able to carry the battle forward.
As we move forward, translation of research into policy in a timely manner will be key to ensuring that the malaria response remains relevant and on course to assist the country achieve its objectives.
Na kuona kuri na njanjo ya malaria iria yaruguririo ni WHO mwaka wa 2019 iria ciana ithecagwo maita mana ihinda-ini ria miaka 2, Dr. Sam Akech kuma KEMRI arauga dawa ino ni ikoretwo na uguni makiria hari kunyihia ikuũ cia ciana nini kuria ikoretwo ikiheanwo kaunti-ini 8 cia ithũĩro ria bururi.
What we are seeing is that those who have received the vaccine and they get malaria, they are less likely to get very severe forms of malaria.
WHO ikihinyiriria kuhuthirwo kwa njanjo ino kuria Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri igukorwo igitwara njanjo iyo kundu gutiganite. Akechi akiuga ni mareka uthuthuria makiria niguo kuona kana no nginyagia ciana ithecagwo maita mana.
The vaccine was given in Western Kenya, counties around Western Kenya. That is the area that we still have a very high burden of malaria.
Mihango ya kuhurana na murimu wa malaria ni rahotomio ni ucenjia wa rwagi ruria rutambagia malaria amukuri na maundu rwiyongereire. Uthuthuria makiria ni urabatarania guku muingi ukiurio kuhuthagira dawa cia malaria o riria tu mundu ari murwaru, kuona ungimenyera kuinywa utari murwaru riria warwara ciaya kwaga guguteithia tondu mwiri ni uimenyerete.
KEMRI has midwifed vaccine initiatives in this country, and in particular we have partnered with efforts with Kenya Biovax, and Kenya Biovax, as you know, is the baby of KEMRI. We have worked tirelessly to come up with that entity.
Gerifotera Kameme TV ni Jetagwo Wagoi wa Mwiruri.